Hey y'all, hope everybody's doing well. Thanks for your hard work on the paper thus far. We're going to spend at least a couple days doing peer review, and I just wanted to show you how that's going to look. Um, the first thing that you're going to need is you need to share your paper with two of your classmates with whom you worked on the team media presentation with. So make sure you have your paper shared with two other students. All right, when we go into classwork, it's not live yet, but this is what it'll look like. Do your attendance as always. Here's a peer review doc. When you open it, you can't type in it, okay? You've got to go to these three dots here, open in a new window, and then you can open it as a Google Doc. I don't know why it does that, but it's a pain in the ass, but that's how we have to do it. All right. Your name's obviously going to go here. The person whose paper you're reviewing is going to go here. Let's see if I can get any of this stuff to work. All right, that's kind of cool. So your name, the author's name. What I did is I took screenshots of each of the 7 rows of the rubric on which you're going to be graded. All right, and not all are equal. So row 1, understand context, right? Make sure that the authors explained why the topic's important, and make sure that at least one stimulus material has been cited. That's worth 5 points. Write something good, write something bad. All right, I'm getting off that. That's kind of annoying. Sorry, I'm going to have to stick with this for now. All right, row 2, also worth 5 points. What's the significance of this? So what big issues are happening in the world that relate to your specific research question? Again, glow and grow it. The one that's worth the most points is the establish an argument. So that's where you really need to make clear what are the different problems related with your question, what are potential solutions, and make sure you argue why they're good solutions. All right? My hope is that you'll do one of your peers tomorrow and then one of your peers on Wednesday. Sorry, my timeline gets all screwed up because I record these in advance. I might actually extend it to a third day just because this is really, really important to me. We've got extra time for these papers now. So we don't have to freak out about our timeline as much. So the big thing for us is just make sure they're as polished as possible because we know everybody else is in the country is going to be as polished as possible as well. So we need to step up with that. All right, reach out with any questions, comments you might have. Remember, click on the green dot, the 3 dots to open it in a Google Doc. All right, take care.